Hi lovelies, so I'm actually standing in my new home office. Adam and I just got the keys to our new house yesterday and it was a really busy day, so I didn't end up vlogging, but I wanted to put together a special vlog and do a little empty house tour. I did also film some little behind the scenes of me packing and organizing our stuff back at the apartment and showing some tips for organizing and packing if you're moving, because I got requests to share that on a vlog when I got some little messages coming through on Instagram. So if you're not following me, you can go follow me at Study with Jess. But I'm gonna insert some of those clips maybe after I take you through the house. So first, let's go to the front door and I'm gonna show you the whole place. All right, I need to make this vlog kind of quick because I have painters, plasterers and plumbers coming to give us quotes because there's some cracks in the ceiling that we need repaired and we're just gonna paint the whole place a nice bright white. So we're thinking of just going with a standard vivid white paint color. So let me take you through the house and then I'm probably gonna get a knock at the door from one of them. Okay, so this is the entryway and over on the left we have the master bedroom. How cool are these light fixtures and these doors? We're gonna try and preserve a lot of the character of this place. So we are going to be removing these lovely curtains over here because it's definitely not our style. But this room is so spacious, so I'm thinking of maybe making this little nook a little zen den or a reading nook, potentially even building some sort of a seat in here with cushions and storage underneath. I'm not really sure, so let me know what you think we could actually use this space for over here. And then this is the rest of the bedroom with some nice big cupboards for Adam and I. I'm just gonna show you inside. We're definitely gonna need to do some storage and organization because there's just one long hanging rod, which is okay because we're just gonna put some pull-out drawers underneath and also add a shoe rack on the left and the right side for Adam and I. And then if you walk out of the bedroom, sorry if it's a bit echoey because we have no rugs at the moment, this is the bathroom. I've already been putting a bunch of our skincare in here. Got all my Mukti skincare, my Lush body care, spare toilet paper. I'm not a toilet paper hoarder, I promise. Didn't end up doing any panic buying and shopping this year. And then if you walk over here, we have a linen cupboard. I have started to unpack some things. So I've got arts and craft, blankets, and all of our towels over there. This linen cupboard is probably just gonna be used for coats and maybe a shoe rack underneath as well. Now onto my favorite room of this house, the living room. So we're gonna put a nice L-shaped couch over here. There's a fireplace, which definitely needs some repairs. So definitely gonna add this to my DIY list. We're thinking of just painting the top, retiling the base and then giving it a really good clean out. And then again, changing the curtain fixtures. In here is gonna be the dining room. So we're gonna add some doors to the bottom and then have just some different plants, cookbooks and other little decor items, maybe on the top 3 or 4 shelves. Then through this door, you've got access to the kitchen. So I've started to organize the pantry and I'm so excited to have backstock. So I've got lots of pasta, tinned food, rice, oats, all that stuff, all the non-perishables. We're thinking of renovating the kitchen, but probably not for a while because it is still in pretty good condition. It's just not the most functional layout. I don't really like that the stove is boxed in like this and it doesn't have a proper range hood and it's just a little bit funny and there's not a lot of bench space. So we'll see about getting to that maybe in the next year or two. Then next to the kitchen, we have the home office. We're gonna change the lighting, I think, in most of the rooms though. We did find this really cute rug, so we've started to furnish this room, although we've still got a long way to go. And the window here looks out to the garden and we've got a little shed and look at the flowers that are growing on top of the roof of the shed. It's actually coming from the neighbor's garden and it's so pretty. Then coming back through the kitchen, there is a big barn door, which we kind of need to repair at the base because it's creating a really big draft. But I think it's really cool. I love this whole barn style and I live for country style magazine, so it's very my thing. Over here we have a separate toilet, which we're gonna turn into a powder room. So we're actually gonna put in a vanity over here and change the toilet. And then in here is our laundry. Again, this is all the before because we're definitely planning on fixing it up. So as you can see, there is quite a bit of work to be done in some of these rooms, but I'm really excited and I honestly live for DIYs and room transformations. So just wait for all of my new content to be coming out. I feel like I'm gonna make a ton of Instagram before and after posts and IG reels, and I don't know, let me know in the comments what sort of content you want me to film in the next couple of weeks while I take you through the process and show you the transformations and share any tips that you'd like. But for anyone that wants some tips on organizing and moving, I'm gonna insert my footage from when I was back in the apartment the other day, just getting things ready for moving. Okay, welcome to the chaos of our living room. I'm breathing through it, guys. It's probably gonna look like this for the next week until we actually get the keys on Friday and can start moving things through. But I really just wanted to get a head start on it. It's the weekend. Melbourne is in another lockdown for 7 days, so might as well be productive and also keep myself occupied. So let me show you what I've done. And I'm also gonna share with you a couple of my packing and organization tips. Also, I find the moving process so tiring, so make sure that you stop and take breaks, have a snack, break for lunch. I've been really good today, just making sure I'm eating enough, keeping my blood sugar levels up, because I don't really want to have all this energy first thing in the day and then just crash. So that's something to be really mindful of as well. And I'm just so glad that we don't have to get everything organized within just a couple of days. Like, we can really take our time here, because while we get the keys next week on the 4th of June, so I don't know when this video is going to be going up, but we get the keys on Friday the 4th of June. So we're going to go in, we've got a few tradies coming in to give us some quotes so we can move in a couple of things into the cupboards, like the stuff behind me, but we're not actually moving till June 18. So we've really got about 3 weeks to get everything from this apartment into the new house. And it's just such a relief, because every time we've moved, we've been going from rental to rental, and it's a very quick kind of transition. So I find it a lot more stressful, but this is just really nice because I can take my time. I'm in the process of tackling the TV unit. On the left side, all of the books are now packed in this bag over here. There are a lot of them, it's a heavy bag. And then in this section is where I keep all of my candles. I have a candle problem, so I've sorted them into piles. This is the pile that I would like to keep. This was rubbish and things to get rid of. This is my giveaway pile or candle. And then these ones I'm gonna wash and reuse in the kitchen to store different spices. But I've switched the boxes here, because one tip is actually to organize things as you go so that it makes it a lot easier to set everything up. So we had all of our tools in the larger box, but I managed to fit them in the smaller one because I actually think I need more space for all of the candles. So I'm gonna pop them in now. Don't mind my double tripods here. I've been vlogging and doing Instagram stories at the same time, but I have also been listening to a really nice chilled Spotify playlist. So another tip is make sure you have some good music going in the background. Alright, so we're going to take everything that's on this side of the room for the first trip to the new place, minus the houseplants, because they're going to go in last once the place is all set up. But I've organised everything into bags. So one tip is, instead of going out and buying new cardboard boxes or plastic storage tubs, just use whatever you've got at home and then see if you need to get anything extra. But because we're going to do multiple trips to the new place, I think we'll just unpack as we go and then reuse all of this stuff to take the next round of items to the new place. Now, because of all of the lockdowns that my state has endured, I have decluttered a lot this year, but this is a little donation pile that I've just set aside over here. So you want to make a couple extra piles as well, things that you want to sell and things that you want to throw away. I've got a very small pile of things I want to sell and a bunch of things that I've already thrown away because it's just not good enough quality to give away and donate. And I'm not going to show you my trash pile because it's already in the rubbish bin or the recycling. So here are just a couple of things that I'm gonna list for sale. They're really good quality, they're a couple of different brands. They're not too expensive, but I think that it's worth listing them. And this is my little donation pile. See, I knew watching an entire season of the home edit in the first lockdown was gonna come in handy, because now all I have to do is take these boxes that are already sorted and put them straight in the spare cupboard. Winsty loves a sunbake, don't you, buddy? Okay, so I found a couple of things that I wanted to fit into the art and craft box and the gift wrapping. This book, by the way, is an absolute lifesaver. Rather than having rolls and rolls of wrapping paper in the house which take up so much space, I am obsessed with wrapping books, and look how beautiful all of the pages are. It's so lovely, Australian native designs and botanicals. Oh, it's so pretty, and it takes up next to zero room. All right, I'm waiting on one more tradesperson to come and give us a quote for painting, and then I am done. I'm actually gonna go pick up some storage and organization for the bedroom with Adam. I'm so excited to start getting that organized now as well, because I live for all things organizational. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog and my little empty house tour. I'm so excited to make it all cozy and set it up and have a new home office and bring Winston into the house and see what his reaction is like. I'm just so excited for this new chapter in our life. So let me know what you want me to film in the next couple of weeks. I'm thinking of doing a room tour, room transformations, setting up the home office. Honestly, you name it, I have a bunch of ideas, but I'd love to hear all of your suggestions as well. So just leave them in the comments down below. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at Study with Jess if you want to see more behind the scenes, because I'll definitely be posting a fair bit on my stories and also on my reels, so go check them out. And Adam should be here any minute, so I'm gonna end this vlog, but hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all very soon with another video. Mwah! Bye!